Alexa here from Duvall Homestead, and today I'm going to share our simple homestead fall home tour. To me, fall is such an important season because it means the start of seasons changing. We're going into the holiday season. It means a lot of baking, everyone's spending time with their family and they're cozy in their house. And so I really enjoy making our homestead really cozy and nice for fall. We love decorating the front of the house. We usually have something up year-round, whether it's just an American flag in the summertime or a pumpkin in the fall. A really simple touch can go a long way, and we love to have something in the front of the house that's really welcoming and inviting. So if you're driving by, you're like, oh, I bet it's really warm and cozy in there. So that's kind of the vibe that we like to go for. And this is a really easy way to make your house smell fantastic in the fall time. It's a simple stovetop potpourri blend of apples, lemon, cinnamon, and cloves. You just put some water in a pot and simmer that on the stove. So now what we're going to do is we have a bunch of lavender from a local farm that we picked up, and we're trying to figure out more ways to use it. And so in the home, we're going to do a quick showing of how to get these flowers off of the stems. And then we can put them in little bags that can go in our dressers and just various places around the house. So I learned how to do this from my mom, actually, who has a blog. It's called Lemon Grove Lane, and she has a post on how to make a lavender wreath, and she shows how she gets the lavender off the stems. Before I saw that video, I was just going into my backyard and pulling all of the lavender off the stems, and it was like a very unfortunate experience. And I'm like, I'm never gonna do that again. And she said, no, there's such an easier way. So basically I'll link her video tutorial below this video if you want to go watch it. But essentially you're just going to put all of the lavender in a pillowcase and then rub the pillowcase on top of the lavender twigs, and all the lavender will come off. It'll be so much cleaner because lavender just gets everywhere. You just smell it and like 5 of them fall to the ground. So it's a really good way to make potpourri. Just a quick tip when you're doing this, when you put the lavender stick in the pillowcase, it's like this long. When you're rubbing it, go again, like perpendicular to the stick. The reason that is that if you go with the stick and you're rubbing it too hard, you can break the stick, and you don't want a whole bunch of crumbled up sticks in your potpourri. You just want the lavender flower. So rubbing it kind of this way will just pop the bud off and not break the stick. Seeing our homestead and how we decorate for fall and make everything really welcoming and warm and festive in a simple way. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post weekly farm-to-table recipes and homesteading ideas. Always feel free to share this video with someone you think would like it, and thanks for sharing in our homestead.